Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and never miss an update from Latestly.
I'll start with Assam General Assembly Elections 2021. Elections shall be held in 3 phases. First phase, issue of notification, 2nd March. First phase, 47 assembly constituencies, issue of notification, 2nd March. Last date of nomination, 9th March. Scrutiny of nomination, 10th March. Last date of withdrawal of candidature, 12th March. Date of poll, 27th March. Date of counting, 2nd May. I shall not read 2nd May again and again because that is the date of counting is same for all the elections. Am I clear? Can I go to the next? Assam 2nd phase, 39 constituencies. Issue of notification, 5th March. Last date of nomination, 12th March. Last date of withdrawal of candidature, 17th March. Date of poll, 1st April. If it is clear, I can go to next. It's clear? We can even read out the names of assembly constituencies, but that is going to be available to you, right? Assam 3rd phase, final phase, 40 assembly constituencies. Issue of notification, 12th March. Last date of nominations, 19th March. Scrutiny of nominations, 20th March. Last date of withdrawal of candidature, 22nd March. Date of poll, 6th April. Now I go to Kerala. All elections in 14 districts consisting of 140 assembly constituencies to be held in a single phase as follows. Issue of notification, 12th March. Scrutiny of nominations, 20th March. Last date of withdrawal of candidature, 22nd March. Date of poll, 6th April. General election to Assembly of Tamil Nadu 2021. All elections to 38 districts consisting of 234 assembly constituencies shall be held in a single phase as follows. Issue of notification, 12th March. Last date of nomination, 19th March. Last scrutiny of nominations, 20th March. Last date of withdrawal of candidature, 22nd March. Date of poll, 6th April. Puducherry, 2 districts, 30 assembly constituencies to be conducted in a single phase as follows. Actually, when we went to Puducherry, most of the political parties wanted that the election should be conducted along with Tamil Nadu, because both sides probably felt unsavory elements coming in from this side or that side. And Tamil Nadu being a far bigger state, this was the only major demand of the political parties in Puducherry. Anyway, I'll read it now. Issue of notification, 12th March. Last date of nomination, 19th March. Scrutiny of nomination, 20th March. Last date of withdrawal, 22nd March. Date of poll, 6th April. West Bengal, 8 phases. Last time it was 7. No, that was, I have the data with me, because I have to meet such intelligent people. That was split into 6A and 6B. It was ineffectively 7. It was split into 6A and 6B. You can take the statement from me after this.
ইলেকশন কমিশনকে মান্যতা দিয়ে তারা যেভাবে অ্যানাউন্স করেছেন আমরা সেভাবেই করব, কিন্তু কোথাও কোথাও একটা কোশ্চেন এসে যাচ্ছে। বিহারে 240টা সিট, 3টে ফেজে ইলেকশন হয়েছে। আসামে 3টে ফেজে ইলেকশন হচ্ছে। তামিলনাড়ুতে সম্ভবত 240-এর মতো সিট, 34। তাতে সেখানে ওয়ান ডে ইলেকশন। কেরালায় সিপিএম গভর্নমেন্ট আছে, ওয়ান ডে ইলেকশন। বাংলায় 294টা সিট, 8টা ফেজে ইলেকশন। কেন? কাকে সুবিধে করে দেওয়ার জন্য?